Hi Rahul.
Hi, sir.
So let us walk through your AI prompt and script.
Hmm.
You are an expert in fintech, agentic AI, LangChain, RAG, MCP, and Azure cloud architecture. You are asked to help with helping me design, develop, and document a modern agentic AI-driven risk scoring engine in fintech application. The system should be built using the following technologies: LangChain, LangGraph, RAG, MCP, Azure Stack. Okay, EKS need to be made, right?
Sir,
AKS,
yes,
AKS.
In Azure it will be there. Lastly, in last, I incorporate a case also, but
Okay, that diagram can be shown in a separate picture, separate this one.
this
This
week,
DA, yeah, just you can increase this screen size, right?
yes, yes, sir. This,
Mm-hmm. So go up, beginning. This is the first, no, there should be one box, right?
yes.
What is that shows?
External data source SQL CSV, then Azure
Okay.
Data Factory, then raw data
Okay, external data sources. So it can be CSV, it can be JSON, it can be
SQL.
databases also, right?
Hmm.
Right. So you're pulling into Azure Data Factory. So with extraction you are doing under ETL, right?
Yes.
Uh, then you have to increase little bit size.
Uh, okay.
Now it is good actually.
Hmm.
Databricks, ETL, and feature engineering, you are doing it. So go up, just go up. You did extractions. What are the sources? Event Hub, what is that? Event Hub is coming from where?
Means there are two Azure Data
Go
Factory.
up, go up, go up, still go up. No, 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 top, top.
Sorry, wait. Yes. So batch means real here for real time streaming means
Can you increase size, box size? Don't reduce it, just keep like that only.
hmm,
Okay, it is pulling the external sources,
hmm.
but what are these two boxes? Azure Event Hub from where? Real time
Real time
data or
streaming, real time data.
okay, batch processing is there.
Hmm,
Okay, offline data that
hmm,
is.
hmm.
So you are putting into Azure Blob Storage. Yes, okay. Then from Blob Storage, Databricks is bringing that into
Data.
ETL staging. Okay. In the staging, you are doing feature engineering with ML application, right? You are building ML application here, right? Then come down. Is it possible to increase? Yes. Databricks feature store. Yes. After feature engineering, you are storing in Databricks, Azure ML, model training. Then vector store you are bringing. The databases can be vector database also, or just you are pulling into vector database. What is the purpose here?
In this left side for machine learning purpose, and this is for vector storage. Some CSV store in a vector database also, and both the data is going to the land graph scoring, and here
Hold
is
on, hold on. What is the purpose of moving some data into vector database, some data into ML modeling?
because I have to train the model. With the help of that, I am going to find out the one the fraud or not fraud, and with the help of vector database, I am performing query on that database. By taking so lastly, you can see I show you lastly.
Are you porting the entire data into vector database
No,
also?
no.
The
Yes,
same
yes, 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 yes.
same database you are making into one is with the ML modeling experiment. Another
Hmm.
one is you are
Embedding
pushing the same data into vector database to
database. Yes,
analyze
yes,
into
yes,
LangGraph.
yes, yes. Hmm.
LangChain
Langchain.
for yeah,
Hmm.
for framework
Hmm.
creation for LangGraph
Hmm.
purpose, agentic AI and
Ah.
framework. Okay, then Azure ML model repository. Okay, that repository where you are creating
Azure ML on Azure ML Studio.
ML Studio repository you are creating. Okay, Then LangGraph is there. Then Azure Blob, Cosmos DB.
I can use any Cosmos DB or Azure Blob.
Yeah, that is fine. Just you are pushing into database
Hmm.
basically after LangGraph has done it. But for a LangGraph, you are using Agentic AI.
Hmm.
Agentic AI connects to different workflows, right? Different
Hmm.
tasks, right?
Yes.
There should be multiple tasks. Here,
Hmm.
what are the multiple tasks?
So this is a high level only. In
Hmm.
now there is a, in this detail, here is our detail step by steps. This is
Before LangGraph, before LangGraph,
uh,
you need to pull. Should be here.
yes.
LangGraph, Agentic AI, this is right. Oh,
Uh,
yes.
no,
Here,
these are the
agentic
model.
workflow.
Reading.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Yeah, LangChain tools. So from there, it is pulling the data and it is processing it.
And with the
But
help of
what?
the
But from blob storage also a link should be there, right?
here is the vector storage.
Yeah, but you are storing there in blob. From after that, what are you going to do
So
with the Azure blob?
with the help of blob, I create this model, credit model and fraud model, and this model is going to
No, no,
learn.
you created. You see vector database box, vector
Uh,
store. After
with
that, it is going to blob storage, vector database.
vector database store in a blob storage. Correct.
After that, what you are doing with that data?
No,
Vector
so
database.
this data is stored here itself. But with the help of this LangChain, this LangGraph, I am interaction with the that vector stores. Here vector store, FASI, embedded vector store. I interact with this. This is for storage purpose only. But here vector store, with the help of RAG, retrieve the information like this. Wait, I show you.
Just go to the top diagram.
Here, like this.
First diagram.
This output like this means uh,
No, no, diagram. First DFD. Okay, you are at LangGraph Agentic AI. After that, what are you going to do here?
so
Azure Blob, Cosmos DB is there. Fill.
yes, RAG retrieve LangChain, then context, then agentic AI, context going to the agentic AI, then with the help of risk scoring, summarization, and this is a present with the help of the, Power BI. So this is a flow. And
No, no, no. Go up, just go up. Come down to the diagram. No, no. Bottom.
hmm,
Diagram bottom. You can
hmm,
increase it. Those boxes should be visible.
hmm,
Okay, you are taking the vector database into the fast API endpoint and Power. Okay. Vector database you are pulling into Power BI dashboards
hmm,
also.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
And Azure ML data from LangGraph, you are taking it into, you are using Redis also.
If possible, as you read this for catch
You should
response.
have multiple data sets. Then
Uh,
you can use Redis also.
hmm.
Azure API management, Power BI dashboard, Azure Logic Apps alerts,
This is for the
Azure.
alerts notification. There means if someone is fraud, so it will be via mail, it will via message. We can send the alerts.
Yeah,
Hmm.
go to last box, bottom.
Uh, Second.
There is a box right in the
Ah,
bottom.
ah, the Azure Chaos Studio.
Azure, which one?
CHAOS. Azure CHAOS.
Can you increase the size, box size?
Sorry, Kinda.
Bottom box.
Sir, not able to increase.
It is not coming up. Okay. Right. So here after studio, what are you going to do?
Then this next page. Uh, Now this is a from sprint 1, sprint 0. This,
No, next page is you are preparing the POC test data, right? That is the sprint zero.
sprint 0 test data, yes.
Yeah, but there is a box in the bottom in the main diagram. What is that activity? What are you going to do there?
Means this is a fully managed engineering experiment platform for means find out any problem is there or not, working or not properly. So with the help of that, I can monitor the project with the help of this.
Basically, monitoring purpose you have used it
Yes.
within Azure platform.
Yes.
Okay, then come down. Next to diagrams. So
Now this is business problem.
that sprint zero is just test data preparation, right? For POC.
No,
No, show me the diagrams. Then we can discuss the flow. Here. What is this activity? Sprint cycle activity.
Sprint cycle activity regarding the data preparation.
POC data preparation. Yes, we don't have live data. We are using it. This activity. So come down. What are the files you are preparing?
This credit profile,
Credit
transaction,
transactions.
loan, and customer.
Hmm.
This. So these are the data I am going to prepare and store in a
Okay.
Azure blob.
Okay. This sprint cycle is purely data preparation purpose.
Yes.
Okay. Then next sprint,
Uh,
real-time batch ingestion pipeline. Yeah, one is batch is there, another one is real-time is there.
yes.
Okay, batch
Mm.
diagram only. Okay, it can't increase.
Submit.
Okay. Yeah, that is fine. Go up. No. You can don't reduce it. It was good. Okay. Here, key vault secrets you are maintaining. Streaming trigger real-time transactions. Okay. Streaming is batch processing, right?
Batch processing, yes.
Real-time transaction is online.
Mm.
This one. Then batch sources CSV, ADF batch pipeline. You are using. Okay.
And here I give the attempt. How many attempt we want to perform this? If number of attempt if fail, then give the alert, triggering the means pipeline is fail. Then with the help of that here database processes also, and batch wise processing I am going to perform in this here. Data process.
When it is going to Databricks, there is ML process. Where is that in this diagram?
In this though it is in here.
No, in the box should be there, right? After after blob, this one, Databricks activity. Storing in Databricks is a staging environment. One has got one model activities, feature engineering is done. Then later on, it has come to Databricks. Data
Yes,
has
sir,
come.
here.
Then after in Databricks, we are going to do ML model execution.
So this is this involved in Spring 2 ETL feature engineering, load data from Databricks, perform feature engineering, save the features, and generate the embedding from the text field, and save the embedding in a vector store. So for this purpose, this is what the
Okay, 1 minute. Don't move. Azure blob storage, raw data. You are taking raw data transactions. Azure, Databricks, feature engineering, then okay, Databricks is here. Okay, so you're putting the data into the staging areas here. One is vector database, another one is versioned storage from the feature engineering. Then Databricks is there. That is another staging environment. Okay, next one.
Model training.
Model training, yes.
So is the model training. Means Azure from feature Azure Blob Storage. There is a data come here from with the help of Azure ML Studio train the model. Then with the help of XGBoost or other light GBM algorithm, then model output. Here is the accuracy F1 score, RMSE score, best model here store and store register and model store in a registry and deployment model ready for Spring Agentic AI-4. So this is a model output, and this is are the feature importance here, which important features also, and here is the metrics, drift monitoring, Azure Blob Storage. So drift are stored in a Azure Blob Storage, and yes, this is only with the help of Azure Auto ML. I am going to perform model training, and then
Okay, Azure pipeline is you are putting the repository right there.
yes,
Azure Studio, you are using it.
yes. Then
Okay.
Spring,
Now,
Spring for agentic AI layer with LangGraph means build intelligent agent pipeline that use tool RAG and make decisions. So define agentic workflow using LangGraph
where are you using OpenAI connectivity?
here itself.
Here
Integrate.
itself. Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Integrating, yes. Okay, this is called agentic AI. Okay. So what is the purpose of using OpenAI here? What is the task you are getting? Take the suggestion from OpenAI at that point of time.
I'm
Examples.
means I'm going to use OpenAI API key to take the means interact with the vector database and by calling the LangGraph tools with so that and integrating with the API with the LangGraph for calling multiple AI agent and then AI agent going to retrieve data from the database index thing. So with the help of that, I get the real time info. Means I can read the vector database effectively.
It means if you want to take decisions, which data need to be collected, you are making the agentic AI to take the decisions with
Ah,
OpenAI connectivity.
yes.
Like three sources are there. Real time is there, batch processing is there,
Mm.
vector database is there. So among these data sets, you are going to analyze it with OpenAI. So which piece
Ah,
is
means
required?
it index means retrieve the information.
Okay. Yeah, there only agentic AI is introduced in this whole system.
And yes, and this is last API integration, and here is a
Mm.
deployment using the AKS. Yes, means fast API I can create.
You're building them into containers and moving into AKS.
Yes, Docker also. But fast API for the means front end also using front end also we can
Mm.
use. And last with
Mm.
Spring 6 MCP data linkage and tracking. Add full means audibility and traceability. Every decision made by the system. For that purpose, MCP I am going to use with the help of Pydantic. Pydantic help in a production environment for the uh, means any data type. It can accurately means manage data type of uh, any data type. It can manage automatically with the help of Pydantic. So this is a Pydantic line chain memory module here is here. It remember the last interaction also and give the output with the help of memory
Mm.
and
Mm.
visualization.
Mm.
Uh, and
Mm.
here is a with the help of Power BI, I am going to visualize the data and the afterward is final picking packaging, CI testing, and CI/CD integration.
Is there an agent again on top on seventh sprint? Is there any agentic AI here?
No, sir. No, no,
Nothing.
no.
But why GPT 3.5 name has come?
For
Tools. Down,
use,
down you see tools below owner.
here means
Read it,
means
read tools.
use Azure
Bottom.
OpenAI generate natural language summary of the risk model. Means with the help of OpenAI, I can generate a summary of the models. Means it give the information like a chat GPT in paragraph format summary, and this summary can be show with and integrate this summary with API output, and with the help of that API output, we can means make the pattern risk distribution chart. For take make the summary, I am going to use OpenAI API key to get the summary. Yes.
Okay, just for script purpose only
Uh,
are
uh,
using it,
uh,
not for agentic
no,
AI
no, no,
decision
no, no,
making.
no, no. Script
Okay,
purpose. Like
script
there,
only.
like here means this high fraud probability detected similar case to, because this similar case, he said similar cases to this means he know the past memory. So this type of
Hmm.
summary it will be generated with the help of the API key and give the output. Means this is a fraudulent, and retrieval takes something this location mismatch or alert, escalate to review, and this type of output we are going to get.
Okay, come down. This is the last one.
Last one is
So what is the output you got it from this system?
this.
What is the achievement here?
Means whenever anyone client or customer with the help of their credit score fraudulent risks, some same is going to appear. So lively it will be going to detect the this is high fraud and probably detected. So it is similar to something cases. So you do not have to alert review the it give you the alert, and you have to means something this is going to fraud happening on that particular date, particular customer ID, it will be going to show you final output.
So what I understood is you are taking the sources data from different sources into ADF,
Hmm.
transforming that data into Power BI. Power BI is going to create the dashboards and also alerts there and there itself. Then you are also getting the backend database with fine-tuned one, final report
Hmm.
purpose, for
Hmm.
final usage purpose.
Hmm. Yes.
Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Can you do one thing? Just write one prompt. What is the user requirement and story for this AI prompt? You can write it
Hmm.
somewhere in this screen itself.
Sir, this is, yeah.
In the bottom, you can write or some
Sir,
other.
this is a problem.
Oh,
uh,
wait. Traditional credit scoring system in fintech rely heavily on static machine learning models or rigid role-based engine. These systems often fail to adapt in real time, cannot handle unstructured data efficiently, and struggle with new or evaluation fraud patterns. This leads to inaccurate credit scoring, delayed decision making, and a high number of false positives in fraud detection. The goal is to develop an agentic AI system that automatically processes transactional and behavioral data, reasons over a customer's financial history, detects anomalies in real time, and continuously adapts based on feedback. This system should improve credit risk prediction, enhance fraud detection, and reduce manual investigation loads, ultimately leading to better customer experience and reduced financial risk. So basically, in this, you are getting the data from the, of course, our test data.
hmm.
Then you are going to push that into dashboards for decision making. That
Hmm.
is one thing. And another thing, you are also putting the alerts Then finally, you are giving the risked customers,
Yes, yes,
where it is going to avoid the manual inquiries and investigation, all those things
yes,
for
yes.
the
Mm,
executives, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, what is the agentic AI value proposition? Just let me read it.
Mm,
Unlike traditional model that act in a single shot prediction model, the agentic AI system can autonomously plan, use tools, ML model, APIs, vector store, recall past user behavior, and adapt it approach based on results. Okay. For instance, if an agent sees unusual spending behavior, it can query historical behavior, cross-validate with social risk signals like KYC anomalies, then escalate only high-confidence fraud cases to a human reviewer, saving time, reducing false positives, and improving decision quality. It means totally the efforts are going to be saved for
mm,
the bankers
yes,
with agentic AI. Agentic AI, it makes the decision and finally it gives the filtered decision data,
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
The decisions are automated with agentic AI, right?
yes.
Okay, this approach is particularly powerful in fintech when risk scoring depends on not only on numerical credit data but also behavioral, transactional, and often semi-structured inputs. That is vector database you are using
Yes,
semi-structured.
yes, yes, yes.
You are creating the data for vector database also in the test data
Yes, yes, yes. Mm,
under sprint to zero.
yeah,
Okay. So you need to focus on these things very well in first presentation. What are the benefits you are going to give? And another thing is you can ask overall benefits in one box itself. It'll print all the benefits by compiling these two paragraphs.
okay.
That you can put it in your document. Okay. And when
Okay.
you go for solution presentation also, you show that business benefits and technical benefits to save the technical effort and to save the business executives efforts, all those. Because there only you can convince it. This is the project, we can do it. Okay.
Mm,
Right. So let me stop recording.